Hey, Aaron here with uglyweeds.com. Today I'm coming to you from, I believe, Kennedale, Texas, and I'm visiting this customer's house. And they do have some French drains, but the drainage is no bueno. It does drain off, but even with the drains, they get a lot of moisture from the neighbors. They live at a bottom of a hill or a slope, and they get everyone's drainage. And even with the French drains, their soil is constantly wet for several days or weeks after the rain. So what they did, they made some swales, and I don't know if you could see them in the video, but they planted St. Augustine in the swales after they were done, and they're in a constant state of disease, as you can see. And it has a bunch of take-all root rot and nigrospora stolen rot. And I'm just walking down the swale now. And what I told her was, she's not going to be able to grow grass in this area, and to put rock or crushed granite or something that doesn't need sunlight and doesn't care if it's wet all the time, which would be rocks. Another reason is this algae or moss starts to grow here, and that's a telltale sign of too much moisture and not enough sun. And what happens is this dries out and blocks sunlight, water, and nutrients from getting down into the soil. I'm going to do a video in a few minutes demonstrating that. I'm going to pour a water bottle over some of it, and just to show that it's not permeable. So stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe. Give us a call if you need help.